Today, we're introducing this brand new Diffused Tech ShockPhysio Basic SW3200 Basic 一个型号. It's a lightweight radial shockwave therapy device. As you can see, the equipment on the table is very compact and easy to use. As many of you know, radial shockwave therapy is a convenient way to help relieve many types of chronic pain and swelling, promote tissue repair, and speed up recovery. Whether it's muscle soreness, joint stiffness, or sports-related injuries, it can be a great help. Now, as for this portable shockwave device from Diffused, you can see that it comes with the main unit. There's a treatment head, there's a holder, and a battery. Here we have the power cable, and it also comes with a cleaning container, so you can clean out any dirt from inside the unit. It also comes with 3 transmitters, which means there are 3 applicator heads right here. There's also an instruction manual. Okay, installing the battery is very simple. Turn it over. As you can see, on one side, there's a slot to help you line up the battery. Then just snap it into place. You'll hear a click. Next, we can attach the treatment head. Attaching the treatment head is you can see there's a red dot on it. There's also a red dot on the machine's connector. Just line up the red dot with the other red dot, and then you can easily snap it into place. Next, if we're using the battery, you don't need to turn this on. If we're using the wet head attachment, then we do need to turn this on. Since we're just doing a demonstration right now, we're using the battery, so we don't need to turn this on. Then we can press this button, and the machine will turn on right away. Okay, once the machine is turned on, you'll see 4 options. The first one is called Guide. It's also one of the most commonly used options. Once you go in, you can adjust the energy level however you like, as well as the frequency and shot count. Then you can press the button above the treatment window to start. There are also quick select treatment areas in the bottom right for you to choose from. Once you choose one, you'll see the settings on the left update automatically based on the area you selected. So that's Guide. The second one is also a commonly used option. We'll use the menu option. Menu basically means in manual mode, we can easily choose the energy setting, the frequency, and the number of shots. What's special here is that there's a mode called Sweep Mode. When you go into it, you'll see even more options. Besides setting the number of shots, you can also choose the starting energy level, the maximum energy level, and the slowest and fastest speeds. Let's do a quick demo. For example, if we want to go from level 3 to level 12. With the intensity increasing from low to about medium, you'll see that in the first few seconds, it gradually speeds up and the intensity slowly increases. This is our sweep mode for everyday use. We usually use lock mode. Next, the third one is the photo book, which is a visual guide with both pictures and text. For example, if I want to treat my hand, it will ask what issue with your hand you want to address. And it will provide some preset settings. Here are the options you can choose from. And lastly, there are some favorites. If you've saved any programs, you'll be able to find them under favorites. So next time, you won't have to select them again. As you can see below, there are also physical cards that correspond to favorites. It's a protocol and manual. Okay, next we'll do a quick demo of how to use it. For example, let's use guide mode, which we use. You can just select it. This time, I want to demonstrate a hand treatment. You can see the recommended settings are an energy level of 90, a frequency of 5, and 2000 pulses. Basically, we can then apply some gel to the treatment area and spread it evenly. There's a button here, and when you press it, you'll hear a sound. Basically, you can adjust it based on how the patient feels, either increasing or lowering the intensity. If there's a spot that's especially painful for the patient, we recommend focusing on that area and applying about 300 extra pulses. Then, move it to the second position. Just press it once, and that's it. It's that simple.